How's it going, everyone? I wanted to do our week 13 check-in now, just to open up exam 2, which, of course, I listed the study guide here, and it had some information that would also help you with your final exam coming up. So be sure to take the exam. Take your time when doing it. Don't wait till Sunday of the due date to finish your exam, of course, which will be on August 1st. Go ahead and take it throughout the week. Take your time. The password is going to be PTA 2021, which I will share here shortly on at the announcement page. But I think you're going to do really well. Take your time in completing. If you have questions along the way or something is confusing, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm happy to help. Overall, it's not super complicated if you studied the study guide, which I'm hoping everyone did, but I'm really looking forward to seeing the results of this exam. So be sure to complete it. Use your book. It's open book. If you have anything that you run into that you're questioning, please reach out to me. I look forward to seeing your work. Thanks so much for everything you're doing, and let me know if I can help you in any way.